Recently, some PUBG or BGMI players have been complaining. Unfortunately, PUBG apps show unknown error. Please restart your device and try error code again, and the game is not working. Now, if you find that you can play the PUBG game and if you keep getting unknown error, please restart your device and try the error code again. Then watch this video to learn a quick way to solve this unknown error on PUBG Mobile. So let's get started. To check server, open a browser. Type isitdownrightnow.com. Now tap here, enter www.pubgmobile.com. Now check the server. Now if this says up, that means there are no server issues with your PUBG Mobile. However, if it says down, that means the server is now down. You need to wait, or you can follow the next to solve your problem. Now if you found the server is not down or if the server is not working, you can follow the next process. In the next process, open Setting, scroll down, tap Apps, tap Manage Apps, search for PUBG Apps, tap on it. Now first turn on Auto Start, tap App Permission, enable Files and Media, go back, scroll down, tap Battery Saver, choose No Restriction, enable all the setting, now tap Clear Data, tap Clear All Data, tap OK. Now the next following process can be different. First, if you're already using a VPN to play the PUBG game, you need to turn off the VPN or change to a different internet server on your device. Or if you're using a VPN at all, open the Google Play Store, tap Search option, type VPN. Now download any VPN and set it up with a different server. Now go back to your open PUBG, now try to play the game and see what happens. After following the process, please comment below if you still have issues with unknown error on your Android. Thanks for watching.